Matt here with St. Bonaventure University, Separate 501. We're in week 5, and we're going to be doing lab 5.1, which is setting up our test bed for web hacking. In doing that, we're going to be setting up two vulnerable web apps. One is Mutillidae, and the other is the damn vulnerable web app. So let's get right into it. First, we need an environment. So I have built a CentOS 7 server with a LAMP stack running webmin virtualmin, which is a handy GUI for deploying virtual hosts. I have put that on my CentOS VM running in a paravirtualized environment on Proxmox, which is running on a Dell PowerEdge sitting in my basement. It's nice to have these types of things when you want to set up a nice lab. So there we have it. We've got a big machine with 32 gigs of RAM sitting there, and that's just the virtual host. So, not to brag, but it's pretty nice. So I've set up virtualmin and webmin. It's a nice little web GUI. It runs pretty well on a CentOS 7. And what's handy about this, it gives you a GUI interface to build virtual hosts on your server. So in virtualmin, you'll see I actually have a virtual host set up, DVWA.local and Mutillidae.local. On these machines, I've made sure to install PHP on a LAMP stack with MariaDB. So you'll see the virtual server has a database name of Mutillidae, and we've got things like PHP versions that we can choose from. And we're going to go with PHP 7, see how that rolls. And I have the same setup for DVWA. I'm going to take a look at the same thing here in the shell, SSH console. You see I have 2 users in the home directory, Mutillidae. You can see we have the public HTML directory for it. Got the same thing for DVWA. Now, I've been a web developer for as long as I can remember, probably before I could walk. And so, for me, the path to getting these web apps installed was go straight to the source code. So I went to the GitHub page, webconized for Mutillidae, and grabbed the clone URL, and did a git clone right here. So git clone into this directory, which I've done already. So we'll just show that we have Mutillidae, all the source code from GitHub. And we're going to go into the includes directory and edit the, I think it's database config inc. And you'll see I've set my host to localhost. It's on CentOS, you want to do it with localhost rather than 127.0.0.1, especially in a local network configuration. It works, for whatever reason, it works better. And my username, password, and database name are all Mutillidae. Very secure. Jump back in here. I'm logged in as root right now, so I can pop between the hosts. You see, for DVWA, I did the same. Public HTML. Went to Ethical Hacker, DVWA, GitHub. Grabbed the clone URL and cloned it into the web directory. And in this one, there's a config file in the config directory for the initial one is config.inc.php.dist. Copy that to config.inc.php. Edit that with your information, as you see once again. Localhost and my database user and password are all DVWA. It's very secure. So now that we've done that and we set it up, also I've got a bind DNS server running locally, so I've pointed my primary DNS server for my home network temporarily to the CentOS box, which runs by DNS. So now I have local DNS. So I have Mutillidae.local. And here we are. We are set up. When you first set this up, you have to reset the database to install your initial tables. And the same thing with DVWA. DVWA.local. Default username is admin password. And here's DVWA. It's all set up and ready to use once you've reset your database and installed all the tables. So there you have it. That's a quick and easy setup from somebody with the experience as a Lamp Stack administrator and web development. Thanks.